Welcome to Urban Walks 4K. Let's walk and explore the city together. Welcome to Souq, the heart of all Doha and one of Qatar's most iconic places. This historic market is where the past and present come together, keeping tradition alive in the middle of a modern city. When we walk in Souq Waqif, we can see traditional Qatari buildings, small shops, and narrow streets that make us feel like we are in old time. People come here to buy spices, perfumes, clothes, handicrafts, and souvenirs. There are also many restaurants where we can enjoy delicious Arabic and international food. Tourists from all over the world visit Souq Waqif to experience Qatari culture. In the evening, the souk becomes more lively with music, lights, and people. Souq Waqif is not just a market, it is a symbol of Qatar's heritage and hospitality. As you walk through these narrow stone pathways, every corner feels full of life, the sound of footsteps, friendly conversation, and distant music creates an atmosphere you can't find anywhere else. The air is rich with the scent of spices, incense, and traditional perfumes, each filling its own story.
ओए ओए हेलो कौन सदी रोकी मांझे टॉयलेट आलो टॉयलेट साइड एक को पूछ किथे ले गया मैं मुशेरिफ डाउनटाउन ओए 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 बंद किधरों होना चल
انا صعبت على الراجل اللي كان على اليمين
كده.
طلع